Frying your hair with cheap tools is the absolute worst. I've been there, smelling burnt ends and seeing zero shine after spending an hour styling. That's why I went out and bought the top 5 hair straighteners on the market to test them myself. I wanted to see which ones actually give that glass hair look without the damage. Let's find the best one for your hair type. Product number 1, Aliexpress Hair La Ceramique. First, I grabbed the Aliexpress La Ceramique. The first thing I noticed was the finish. It has this soft touch coating that feels really nice and grippy in your hand even after holding it for 20 minutes. It's not slippery like cheap plastic irons. In terms of performance, they claim one-pass styling, and honestly, it delivered. The ceramic plates glided through my hair without snagging, and I actually saw a boost in shine immediately. Because the edges are rounded, I found it super easy to twist my wrist and get those beachy waves, not just straight hair. It didn't dry my ends out, which is a huge plus. If you want a versatile tool that feels premium and protects moisture, this is a solid pick. But if you need something that heats up even faster. Product number 2, Titanium Ceramic 2-in-1 Flat Iron. I moved on to this 2-in-1 titanium ionic straightener. When I picked it up, I liked that the plates are 3D floating, meaning they move slightly to grip the hair without pulling. It also came with a heat-resistant silicone pad, which saved my bathroom counter. Testing it out, the 20-second heat-up time was no joke. It was ready before I finished sectioning my hair. The mix of titanium and ceramic coating worked wonders on frizz. I usually get static flyaways, but the ionic tech here actually neutralized them, leaving my hair looking way smoother than usual. The LED display is clear, letting me dial in the exact heat for my texture. If you struggle with frizz and are always in a rush, this speed demon is for you. However, if you have really thick or long hair. Product number 3, Remington Shine Therapy. You need to see the Remington Shine Therapy. The difference here is obvious the second you hold it. Those 2-inch wide plates are massive. It feels substantial and ready to tackle a lot of hair at once. What's cool is that the plates are actually infused with argan oil and keratin. I was skeptical, but after running it through a thick section, my hair felt surprisingly soft, not crispy. It covered way more ground than the standard 1-inch irons, cutting my styling time effectively in half. The Shine Therapy isn't just marketing. My hair actually reflected light better after using this. If you have a thick mane or super long hair and want to get out the door faster, this is the budget-friendly workhorse you need. Now, switching gears to a more boutique experience. Product number 4, ELLA BELLA Titanium. I tried the ELLA BELLA Titanium Iron. This one has been featured in Good Housekeeping, so I had high expectations. Holding it, it's lightweight but feels professional. The standout feature here is the infrared technology combined with titanium plates. When I used it, I felt like the heat was penetrating the hair shaft evenly without frying the outside layer. It glided perfectly, zero tugging. I also really appreciated the digital display. It takes the guesswork out of temperature control. Plus, knowing it's from a woman-owned brand where the owner, Ruth, personally handles issues gives you some peace of mind. It also has a reassuring auto shutoff. If you want a straightener that balances professional tech with a personal touch and great customer support, ELLA BELLA is a fantastic choice. But for a true salon-grade feel. Product number 5, Hot Tools Pro Artist Black Gold. I saved the Hot Tools Pro Artist Black Gold for last. This feels like a serious tool. The 1-in-1/4-inch size is a sweet spot, slightly wider than standard but still nimble. The black gold styling surface isn't just for looks. It provided an incredibly smooth, friction-free pass during my test. It has an advanced ion generator that made my hair feel like silk. I also loved the audible tone that beeps when it's hot. No more staring at a blinking light. The rounded edges are aggressive enough to create really defined curls, not just waves. If you want that high gloss, I just left the salon finish and a tool that feels incredibly durable. This is the heavy hitter to invest in. So whether you need the wide plates of the Remington for thick hair or the infrared tech of the Ella Bella, there is something here for everyone. I've dropped links to all of these in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.